Today we're going to look at posting a payment batch. So to begin with, we're going to select our AR pull-down menu. Then we're going to go to Payments and Adjustments, and then we are going to double-click on that, and that's going to take us into our list of batches. So at the bottom of the screen, I have batch number 27, which is my payments for January 5th, 2017, and it's got an amount of $100 in there. So that's the batch I'm going to post. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Post Cash and Adjustment icon at the top of the screen. It's the red icon with a red padlock. So you can click on that. And this is going to show me all the batches that are available for posting. Now, if you remember from the previous screen, I had like 4 or 5 batches out there, but most of those are being reserved for some other process in AdMax right now. So the only ones available is my payment batch that I created earlier. And at the top of the screen, it's going to tell me that all the credit cards have been approved. And if I had a credit card that had been declined for some reason, it would tell me that. And I'd have to remove that credit card from the batch before I can post it. It also compares the control total to the actual amount entered in on the batch. And those have to be the same. So in this case, my actual total is $100 and my control total is $100. So I'm good to go. I can keep processing. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and select my batch by just clicking on it. And I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to hit, I can enter a posting date, or I can just hit enter. And it will automatically fill in today's date. It takes me right to the posting button, so I can hit enter again or click on post. And that is going to run the posting process for me. So what posting does is this actually removes the transactions out of the batch, which is at a pending state, and moves them into the billing information so we can actually apply them to the customer's bill or actually invoice the customer at the end of the month for them. So the batch I posted was batch number 27. It was posted by the CADJ post process, and CADJ stands for Cash and Adjustment. The sequence number is 10, so this is the 10th time I've run this process since I've installed AdMax on this machine. So I'm going to click on Continue, and it's going to give me 2 reports. So the 2 reports that it gives me is a posting journal and a general ledger distribution. So the posting journal will show me the detailed information about what was in the batch, and the GL distribution will summarize it based on the general ledger accounts that the transactions were applied to. So I'll first look at the posting journal. So the posting journal, click on View. There we go. So when I look at the posting journal, I can see that I had $100 entered for Keith Keffer, and it went against invoice number 5. So it's just a quick detailed breakdown of everything that was in the batch. And that batch only had 1 transaction in it, which is 1 payment. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and click on this one. And I'm going to look at the general ledger distribution. So when I look at the general ledger distribution, so just give me a quick summary. So in here, it's going to show me that I have $100 that went to AR, and an offsetting $100 went to cash, which is what I really wanted to see. And my net total was 0, which it should always be. And once I'm okay with this, I'll close this report as well. And then if I wanted to print these, I can just click on Print All, and it'll send both of them to the print at the same time. Or I could have done print as I was viewing them. So I can say Exit, and that'll take me back to my list of batches. And there's the other batches that are already in use by order entry or the web module, or they're in the process of being transmitted back and forth to the credit card clearinghouse. So that's why they don't show up in my original list.